So dividing fractions is the second simplest thing we do with fractions. Adding and subtracting, way harder than either multiplying or dividing. So let's look. 2/3 divided by 5/4. So you may end up with it looking like this. 2/3 divide by, and I like to put a double line because then I don't get confused about which belongs to which. If is this 3 the denominator of this fraction, or is there a middle fraction, or what? So I just put a double bar there, but it could be written either way. It doesn't matter which way you write it. What you're going to do is take the numerator, or the first number of the numerator, 2/3 times, you're going to turn it into multiplication by flipping the denominator, or the second fraction. So now instead of 5 being in the numerator, it's going to be in the denominator. Instead of 4 being in the denominator, it's going to be in the numerator. Flip it, and now look what I have. I just have multiplication. Cancel. I don't have anything to cancel. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 5 is 15. Let's do some examples of this one now. So find the quotient of -2/3 divided by -5/6. Okay, -2/3 times, flip the second one, -6/5. All I did was flip it. Now it's multiplication. A negative and a negative is a positive, so I'm just going to disregard those. 2 times 6 over 3 times 5. Reduce by cancellation. 2 divides 2. Whoops, that's not the one I want. 3 divides 3, leaving a 1. 6 divided by 3 leaves a 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 times 5 is 5. Division, just as easy as multiplication. Let's do another one. -20/3 divided by 14/9. Oof. Those look like big numbers. I hope there's some reducing I can do. I don't really want to do any of that multiplication, I don't think. A negative and a positive is a negative. 20/3 times, flip the second number, 9 over 14. Oh, good. I can do a bunch of reducing. 3 divides by 3, leaving behind a 1. 9 divides by 3, leaving behind a 3. 20 divides by 2, leaving behind a 10, and 14 divides by 2, leaving behind a 7. And I don't have anything I can still cancel with, so I'm done. Negative 10 times 3 is 30, over 1 times 7 is 7. That's it. I wish there were more, but that is possibly the shortest lesson I have ever given in a math class in the history of my time as a teacher. That's it.